Welcome to the Weatherford All-2 GmbH facility in Langenhagen, Germany. Our state-of-the-art facility is part of a large complex with decades of manufacturing history. Most importantly, the facility has served as our production headquarters for the VariForm Centralizer since 2014. Weatherford Centralizer experience spans 75 years and millions of tools and accessories. One of our latest advancements, the single-piece slip-on VariForm Centralizer, is built for the toughest run-in-hole conditions. The VariForm portfolio includes both off-the-shelf and customized sizes. This centralizer is named for its fully customizable design, which may result in unique centralizers at each position on the entire string. By varying its shape, we can help you to achieve any performance need and take on deviated, horizontal, under-reamed open hole and close tolerance case tool sections. At this facility, our engineers are able to determine the needed centralizer performance based on customers' world trajectory by using our Central Pro Plus software that allows for simulating the casing run up front. We can make adjustments to the centralizer geometry, such as bow quantity, bow contour, material thickness, outer diameter, or bow shape. These design changes affect performance and balance requirements for its size, standoff, flexibility, starting, running, and restoring forces. After the VariForm design is selected, we execute a stringent 100% traceable process in our manufacturing plant. These robotic machines implement a fully automated process so that every centralizer, from the first to the last, is exactly the same. This repeatable precision means not only a perfect fit on the casing, but also consistent performance in challenging welds. The machines use world-class alloys to form each centralizer. Without using any fillers, they weld two sides of the parent material together, which leaves a single, metallurgically invisible, resilient seam. Then they laser cut and shape it. Following, the centralizer is heat-treated for superior hardness and strength. In our dedicated testing workshop, we analyzed the centralizers using a unique, fully automated API 10D test bench, the most advanced one in any centralizer production facility. Our testing process simulates how a centralizer actually runs in the field. First, we run the centralizer through the tightest expected restriction. Next, we test it according to the API 10D test for the open hole. In addition, we perform multiple tests, such as fatigue and load test, to prove the superior strength of this one-piece centralizer. This process assures operators that they have the most reliable centralizers on the market. Centralizers are key to cementing integrity. Our modern facility uses automated equipment and cutting-edge processes to customize performance, optimize quality control, and build reliability into each VariForm centralizer we manufacture. In this way, we produce a solution tailored for your application that centralizes casing throughout the hole and helps your string reach the bottom in any conditions.